Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. This is a really cool color. Morning from Detroit. Craig, what's going on, Craig? I love the color and the hubcaps and the little white wall going on.
Yeah.
Eddie from Lexington, what's going on?
But there's no way the original Lincoln hubcaps was that big, though, right?
No, no, no. Those are remade.
Yeah, because I was going to say.
No.
Those are some.
No, they're huge. They're really nice, though. I can't believe how nice the interior is, and it's the same color.
Look at how, like, thick this door is.
Yeah, their doors are huge. I like the white gauges, too.
Massive. Like, that's my hand.
Wow. It's a really nice car. Whose car is this?
What's the deal with the fire? There's like...
Oh, that's the framing of the... Whose car is this?
I don't know. I really like it.
Yeah, me too.
That's really nice.
Yeah.